So give us the overview of this deal, because this is an interesting one and definitely a much lower price point than we talk about.
Yeah. So we had a client come that didn't have a very big budget. And so we took on that challenge to work with him to see what we could find. And we ended up finding a 2-bedroom condo that made sense as a house hack and a future rental.
We got Joe's spreadsheet up here. So we've got it in here at 3.5%. Mortgage insurance is monthly paid since it's FHA. Purchase price at just under at $169. And all together, after down payment, closing costs, down payment assistant, he was all in for what, mid $9,000?
Yeah,
you said?
under $10,000.
Yeah, under $10,000, which is, I mean, the only other ones I've seen under $10,000 has been VA loans, because they are 0% down plus the closing cost. But this is the first time I've ever seen a non-VA below $10,000. So
yeah,
this is
pretty
great.
awesome.
Yeah. So he was probably, I mean, the investor had to be thrilled, right?
Yeah, very much.